Hi everyone, this is Isabel the Shabby Hippie. I hope you're all doing well. I am here today to show my finished projects for bbcraft.com. Thank you, BBCraft, for letting me work with your wonderful products. I really enjoyed it. I love them. Thank you so very much. And to everyone else, thank you for watching. And I will have linked below all of the products that I used. Also, a discount code for you, which would give you 10% off your whole order if you use Shabby10. Okay, and if you forget it, it's at I believe it's at the end of my description. Descriptions in the description box or area, I should say. The very first project that I did with the products. Oh, well, actually, let me start with the products, okay? So, and whoever hasn't seen these, the unboxing, hopefully I will have it linked below, and if not, yeah, you can just go back a few videos on my channel, and you'll see the unboxing for BB Craft, okay? So then this is one of the other products that I use, and then also this, which would be this, okay? Right here. Hopefully you can see that. I know there's a lot of glare. So let me put this to the side so that you get less glare. Okay. Now the very first thing I did was I had made this snippet roll on video, and I'll have that linked below as well. Oops, hang on here. I'm getting a little of the shreds from the actual fabric, but from this fabric back here. So yes, I did this on camera, except that, well, it just wasn't finished. I hadn't sewn it actually down, so that's all I did really. Was after I got off camera, I tacked down with just some dots of fabric tack, tack down the snippets here of fabric and lace, okay, and then I went in and sewed just one straight line right down the middle. And as you can see, you know, it's really not glued down, so it's just a few little dots of glue that I used. So for this here, I used the mesh, okay, which is the table runner. I used this one as well, okay. So if you see, these little bits here are from this, okay. So I didn't use the other trim on this because it was just going to be too much, okay. So now what I'm going to do is when I use them, I'll let you know. I'll come back and let you know. But my intention is to use these as toppers, and then I can add more to this at a later point, you know, when I know how I'm going to use them exactly, okay. So yes, so that was my first project. This is my second project, which I also started with you on video, okay. So basically I just came back and I finished off the top, which is pretty much all I needed to do was finish layering. And again, I'll have that video linked below if you want to see it. This little piece of trim up here is from my stash. And then what I did then was I added some of this mesh, okay, right underneath these pieces of embroidered trim. Pick it up if you there's so much glare, I'm so sorry, but I don't know how else to show you. But see, if you look in here, these brighter pieces are from the mesh, okay. And so then I added these embroidered appliques from my stash, and then I added these gold pearls, or flatbacks, I'm sorry. And then this is a brooch, or brooch, I'm not sure how to say it. I think it's brooch, This is also from my stash, and when you turn it around, you can see that, you can actually. Sorry. True. Oh, sorry. Did not expect that. um, you can take it off if you don't like it, or if you just want to use it on something else, and then you can definitely use, change it up basically. And then I added this little loop on the back with some ribbon so that I can hang it on the wall, or you can hang it on the wall. Um, and that's it. So basically, that is what I did here with the um, with uh, with the products that I was sent from BB Crafts, and I hope you all like it. I hope it inspires you to try it. I also encourage you to check out BB Craft website. Um, it will be linked below, and all of the products will be linked below. Um, yeah, so I'm not sure if I should put this in my Etsy shop or not. I don't know what to do because all I sell is basically books, so I don't even know if it would sell there. But yes, um, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or anything, just let me know down in the comment section. And yeah, that's all I can say. Thank you again for coming over and spending some time with me. I love you all. Thank you for watching again. Thank you, BB Craft. And we will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.